Exercise number 4, PLD book. This dictation recorded by Akshar Ali, stenographer. Ready. In the light of above discussion, it can be said that in this digital age, when sharing information is so simple and cheap, its dissemination has become so rapid and effective either through social media account or online information available at respective police information system software. The record of criminal cases of an accused can be obtained easily, full stop. Even otherwise, comma, a criminal investigation agency is in existing whose primary duty is collection of information relating to investigation of every case registered in the district. That does include information of arrest as per rule 2.135 of police rules 1934, and it also talks about arrest of accused in all cases and not in one, full stop. On receiving an information of arrest of an accused, CIA is duty bound to inform the in charge police station about any other cases registered against him in the district. Therefore, station house officer can also develop contact with CIA of other districts or provinces so as to collect information about number of cases registered against him throughout the country, full stop. Therefore, once an accused is arrested, he can be put into investigation for all cases registered against him, and if the investigation cannot be completed within stipulated period during a physical remand, it can well be continued during judicial custody of accused in the jail with all just legal exceptions, of course with the permission of concerned magistrate. Therefore, arrest after arrest or successive remands in different cases amounts to denial of fundamental rights to life and liberty and also opposes to principle of due processes, full stop.